want you to look better. I want you to look more attractive. And today I'm going to show you how to do it as a man. Men don't have the resources women have. We don't have the makeup and all this stuff that we can be doing to look better. So I'm going to show you the things that you can actually do as a man to look more attractive. 1, get clothing that fits. This has to be your most obvious pit stop. This is where you start because it's the one thing that you can control that will alter your appearance overnight. I don't care if you're fat. I don't care if you're ugly, if your haircut's bad. You can have all that bad, but that'll take time to fix. The one thing you can fix overnight is what you put on yourself. And the crazy part is that for men, it's so simple, bro. For men, it's literally t-shirts. Get yourself t-shirts that fit. Get yourself a couple pair of pants that fit. And that is, bro, it's gotten to the point, and you've probably seen me on Instagram, I'll wear tank tops. Your wife beaters, your vests, literally, with a pair of tailored trousers, an unbuttoned Cuban shirt, some basic sneakers. Like, I'm not even going above and beyond. This is affordable stuff here. I got a 6-pack of Hanes tank tops for like $5. You don't have to make it that complex. Make sure it fits, make sure it's simple, that it doesn't have major logos or crazy colors. You'll look good, man. 2, have great hair. This one is key. See, as a man, your hair is your confidence. That's why so many men are flying to Turkey to get that hair transplant. You need it. Take care of it, bro. Don't be the dude that's 35 on a plane to Turkey when it's too late. Take care of your hair now, right? Use the right products to keep it thick, to keep it luscious. So many guys mistreat their hair when they're young in their teens and early 20s, and then when they really want their hair, right? Now they're rushing to go pay for a $5,000 surgery. That's ridiculous. You should have just bought your boy's He Grooming shampoo and conditioner. See, our shampoo and conditioner, not only are we using the best ingredients in the world, it's also infused with biotin. The goal with biotin is to reinforce and thicken your hair, which is, by the way, when you start losing it, that's a supplement you're going to have to start taking to help regrow it. I infuse it in our body, in our shampoo and conditioner, so when you use it daily, that thing thickens your hair on the daily basis. On top of, it's infused with tea tree oil to make sure you walk out with luscious, soft hair. So if you want to start taking care of your hair now, bro, I want you to check out our hair care bundle from He Grooming. I'm going to have it linked down below, which is our shampoo, our conditioner, and our curling cream, which is basically like a leave-in conditioner. Any hair type can use it. You apply it to your hair. It's filled with a bunch of botanicals and minerals and oils that will condition your hair and make it as healthy as possible. Yes, boys, if you guys click the link down below and check it out, I'm going to give you 50% off when you subscribe, so that way it gets delivered to your door every time you need it. And you know what? I'm going to do something crazy. And it's only because I need this to happen to you too. For the first 100 guys that click the link down below and subscribe to the hair care bundle, I'm going to give you a free beard growth kit. That's stupid. I'm going to lose money for every 100 guys that shops right now because this is stupid. For the beard growth kit, that's the beard growth oil, which is expensive, and our derma roller. You're going to get those two for free for the first 100 that click the link down below and subscribe to the hair care bundle. And that's only because, number 3, I need you to grow a beard. If you want to look better, you need to grow a beard. And I know most of you can't grow a beard. So what did your big brother do? I created a kit to help you grow a beard. See, there's a lot of things you can do to grow a beard. You don't have to use my kit. You can use minoxidil. You can buy that as well. There's a lot of stuff you can use to grow a beard that will work. My goal with my growth kit was that I didn't want it to damage your face. Minoxidil, which I have used, gives irritation. It can be itchy. It's a painful process. My beard growth oil, which I also use, it's natural. Natural ingredients. There's 0 side effects. All natural oils scientifically proven to not only reinforce and thicken hair, but stimulate new hair growth. You need to understand, a thick beard for a man, that is our makeup. That's what makes us look good. 4, improve your skin color. This one applies for my dudes with a darker skin complexion like myself. You want to start using vitamin C. Vitamin C is crucial because it's a natural exfoliant that also helps regulate melanin production. If you're the type of dude that might have uneven skin tone colors, lighter patches and darker patches, vitamin C is your best friend. I use this on the daily. I apply my vitamin C. This helps regulate my melanin production so I have a nice, even, balanced skin tone color. But what's crucial is when you do use vitamin C, you have to make sure you apply an SPF after the vitamin C because the vitamin C is such a strong exfoliant that the sun will damage your skin if you're not protecting against it with some SPF. 5, drink a gallon of water. Bro, you think I say these things just to say them? I take 2 of these a day. This is about half a gallon. That's for a reason. Staying hydrated is not only good for your vitals, it's good for cleansing out toxins. Your skin and your body's full of them. The more you drink and the more you pee and sweat, the more you're expelling these toxins, so your skin looks great. 6, cut the deadly 3. The deadly 3 is booze, sugar, and salt. I want you to cut these from your diet. Booze, it's a dehydrator. You're drinking your calories, it brings you no benefit. Sugar, it just makes you fat, bro. Sugary drinks by themselves, you're looking at 200 calories a can of soda, a can of orange juice. Cut it out. And finally, salt. Salt helps your body retain water. So if you don't want to look as bloated, cut the salt. You do all 3, I promise you, you're going to get into your peak physique. Ultimately rolls us to number 7, wear a fragrance. And this is because it's a freebie, bro. This is the easiest thing you can do. Grab a fragrance, spray it on, out the door. Not only do you feel more confident, everybody around you will find you more pleasant. You will be a literal magnet.